H38, no, H39.
H39.
What's up guys, welcome to Caleb's Bus and Rail Vlogs. Today I'm here at Stanmore on platforms 1 and 2, just filming trains here at Stanmore for my very first train vlog. I've got Mr. Jono here. Subscribe to him on Jonathan's Train Vlogs.
And by the way, I love the new channel name that Caleb's come up with. I think it's really good.
And
it's really well done.
And he's a wannabe train driver, so there you go. Sydney Trains discontinue his channel. And now we've got Samson.
G'day.
Who's come down from the south coast. He was featured in my STA. No, he wasn't.
We'll see the XPT pass, yeah.
Okay.
Not a Waratah. Blackjack service. Yeah, not a Waratah. Blackjack service.
We've got A19 departing. This train will stop at all stations to Donnertown, then Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James Museum, and back to Central. A43 and A16. A59.
Yep. This is why I love this hobby so much. You never know what you might do. Why I love this hobby. You never know what you might do.
Platform number 3, we have A59 bound for Homebush via Strathfield. It'll be stopping all stations to Homebush.
A59 bound for Homebush via Stratfield. It will stop all stations to Stratfield, then Homebush.
Suburban Oscar H39.
H38, no, H39.
H39.
We've got A21 bound for City Circle. A24 to Leppington. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, favourite the video, share it with your friends and all other stuff. See you in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.